The team from Bangkosa, reciting to a poem titled
Bartorius.
Cheeks are shaken in life we are. The minds are mad and correctly I cut.
we are doomed, and tuned to suffer. Indeed,
The life of today, so bitter and sour, scorching sunshine, fending and drought, causing us to suffer.
day and night,
Seasons change like a best of fortune.
telling of future.
Indeed I compare.
We usually wonder, then we wonder, why in Uganda or family disorder, weeping and lamenting for environmental destruction, obliteration, devastation, biodiversity demolition, deforestation, quarry, bush burning, sounds of the wildlife, hunt me like a hunter hunting a deer. If we don't get back to our culture, our lives are in danger.
What are you talking about? What are you talking about in a roundabout? Why don't you go straight and leave that poor old mentality?
Imagine, people are dying and breathing
People are dying and grieving.
just because of climatic changes.
Like yesterday in Sudan, schools were closed, prisoners were released, and in Uganda, famine is circumcised. So, our elders, is that all happening because of cultural devastation?
Yes,
Evolve to hell with your culture and outdated norms.
see your mind so rotten and old. These are our children.
What?
See a big picture. Culture, a great pillar of this nation. A great pillar in giving us direction. A direction for proper conservation of nature.
Like our forefathers in the past,
In the past,
trees like supermarkets were conserved not to be used.
indeed,
Mountains and rivers were given names of spirits.
like the so-called mountain Walusi,
But today, we degrade them, claiming,
we know us a future danger.
just like us. That's why we are suffering from chronic diseases and poverty. If we don't get back to our culture, we are in total mess.
Truly we've heard. Your voice is loud. Your message is clear. We now understand the value of our culture. So wake up you people for this is a call. Amongst the young and youth. Don't for drugs and waste. Plant a tree and look after it. And follow the advice of our cultural leaders.
The time is now.
Now.
To make a change.
A change.
A change we want to see.
To see.
Don't hesitate.
Don't.
Now or never.
Never.
Stop waste-dumping.
Recycle recyclable materials.
Then we shall sing.
Sing.
And dance.
Dance.
Dance with joy. With fertile soils.
Ideal climate. And the economy will develop.
Embrace culture and nature.
For the future generation to have
A decent future.
Thank you.